Open Database Connectivity, or ODBC, is a standard API for accessing database management systems. The CData ODBC drivers extend that API and allow access to SAS, big data, and NoSQL sources using the ODBC standard. Simply put, the drivers allow you to work with data using SQL queries no matter where it is. The drivers are easy to install, configure, and use. Simply step through the installation and configure your connection when the installation completes. For this video, we'll connect to Google Sheets and MongoDB. Detailed information about required connection properties can be found in the help documentation for each driver. With the driver installed and the connection configured, you're ready to start working with live data in any of the hundreds of tools and applications that support ODBC connectivity. For example, we can work with Google Sheets data in QlikView. Connecting is as simple as opening QlikView, clicking File, Edit Script, and selecting a data source. From there, you simply write your SQL query and build your visualization. As another example, you can connect with MongoDB data from RStudio. Open RStudio, load the RODBC package, connect to the DSN you previously configured, and use SQL to load the MongoDB data into RStudio. You're now ready to perform statistical analysis on and build visualizations of MongoDB data. As you've seen, the CData ODBC drivers offer straightforward, live connectivity to data in any tools that support ODBC connectivity. With more than 100 sources supported, you can work with all of your SAS, big data, and NoSQL data in your favorite BI, reporting, and ETL tools, no matter where it is. And because the connection is bidirectional, you get full create, read, update, and delete access to your data. Download a free 30-day trial from cdata.com/odbc and see the CData difference for yourself.